storms do cause a lot of damage to our vehicles.
Yeah, we've seen trees and power poles fall right on top of cars stuck in flooding waters. So with storm chances this weekend, is there anything they can do right now to prep to make sure that you're safe for them?
It's a good question because Colton has a look at some of the best tips and tricks this morning to get through the monsoon.
Good morning, guys. We're at Good Works Auto Repair in Tempe this morning, speaking with the owner, Glenn Hayward, about how to keep our car in tip-top shape during the monsoon. So we were talking about a few things earlier on about the cabin air filter, the wiper blades, but also to keep in mind now is the batteries and the tires. Tell us what things that we can do to make sure that those are in good condition for us.
Well, our desert heat here creates, batteries getting hot. Batteries don't like heat. They don't particularly like freezing cold temperatures either, but it's actually better to have them cold than hot. So when it gets excruciating hot, not just the ambient temperature, but underneath your hood, we got the hot engine, you got the hot radiator and the hot radiator hoses and everything. These batteries get up to temperatures over 200 degrees, and so it starts to disintegrate the components inside. These are lead acid batteries, and that heat just makes them wear out faster. So your average battery life here is about 2 years if you buy a quality battery. When you do buy a battery, don't buy a cheap one because it'll probably last you about 90 days, maybe 6 months. You're going to be buying another one, and that's about as long as the warranty lasts on those things.
And the tires, tell us why it's important to make sure your tires don't look like this. You can see the tread here is uneven.
Right, so tire design, these tires are designed to wash water away to the sides to keep the rubber on the road. And so this is a good tire. This tire here has even wear across it. This one obviously was wearing funny, and that one needed some alignment work and some suspension work done on it in order to correct those problems. But keeping more rubber on the road is important, and as this tire tread becomes more shallow, it doesn't displace the water, and it makes the tires want to slide and skid all over the road, especially on wet pavement.
All right. Well, Glenn, thank you so much. And again, we were speaking with him earlier. He was telling me that more people are keeping their cars a lot longer, servicing them pretty regularly so that they can last longer on the roads, because right now used cars and even new cars are in limited supply right now. So I'll send it back to you guys. And also just keep in mind, be safe on the roadways.
That's great advice.